In this video, we're going to take a look at the Lumina Micro 650. This is the smaller size Lumina from Niterider. So in the case, you're going to get the Lumina, which is a pretty small little light. It's going to come with a handlebar mount. This actually has a thumb screw to mount it around a handlebar, and then it's going to allow your light to actually click on and off. So it'll snap right into place. That way it's really secure. Press down on that lever and it'll pull apart. Now it is going to have a charging cable, as you can see here, and that is a micro USB, and that'll actually plug in right to the bottom of this light here. It'll pop right in, and that's all it takes. Now when you first start playing with this light, you'll notice it just gives a red light. You'd think that that means that this isn't working, but in fact that red light indicates that this is in what they call lock mode. So if you actually press and hold the light, the red is going to turn to blue, and once it turns to blue, as you can see there, that's going to allow it to turn on. So now you're going to have your low beam, medium, and high. Now in this case, because this is a Lumina 650, in low you're going to get 150 lumens for 7 hours. In medium you're going to get 350 lumens for 3 hours, and then in high you're getting 650 lumens for 1 hour and a half. Now if you press and hold it, it's going to turn it off, but you can keep holding, and then it goes into this daylight visible blinking motion. So that's exactly how this light works. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Of course, I should mention you can pop this back into the lock mode pretty easy. If you press and hold, it's going to turn off, go into the blink, keep holding, and it'll pop right back into lock mode. We're going to go ahead and pop the light onto the scale here. It's going to weigh in right around 115 grams. Thanks for watching this video on the Lumina Micro 650. It's a great light. It sure seems to be pretty nice. So go ahead and let me know down in the comments below what you think of this light.